As the holiday season approaches, and this being the first year of our operation, we wanted to give back a little bit to our customers. And so we're announcing our first holiday pyramid sale. Available now through December 25th. We're offering discounts to everyone who purchases pyramids for themselves, family, friends. We're going to be offering $50 off of each pyramid kit that we sell and $25 off of each set of connectors. In order to get that discount, when you go to checkout on onlypvcpyramids.com, enter the coupon code HOLIDAY50, HOLIDAY 50, and you'll receive a $50 discount on any complete pyramid kit that you purchase from Only PVC Pyramids. And if you enter Holiday 25, HOLIDAY 25, you'll receive $25 off of any set of connectors that we have on sale. This is our way of giving back, and we hope that this will influence those of you who have been thinking about a pyramid, either for yourself or as a gift, to consider doing that for the holidays. Again, that's going to be available through December 25th of this year, 2018. Go to our website and you'll see more details, but if you know what you want, just go to the checkout counter and enter Holiday 50 or Holiday 25 for your discount. Have a wonderful holiday season from all of us here at Only PVC Pyramids. Have a great day.